Hi guys. Guys, nandito po ako, magro-Roblox po tayo ng 99 nights. At kagalingan po natin mag-survive. Ito lang po ang magsasabi. May maganda daw po ito. Wala po natin po. Mag-join lang po ako sa kanila. Here's the bird. Yeah. Campfire. Campfire. I'm gonna be holding a campfire. Spring. Hey. Fire. Fire. Ayun complaint. The old fashioned way to sprint. The old fashioned way. Let's swing our stones. Let's swing our axe. Oh my goodness. I don't want old axe. Wait, what? My Wi-Fi is so bad. Yo. Wait. Where's my bro? Okay, brain. Yeah, nope. Let's see. Now can you use that? Print the fire. Yeah, guys. Check ko nga yung bahay dun. Go check the house. Check the house. Now, just wait for me. So, okay. You to be careful. Let's go. You're not scary at all. Get out of my face. What the hell? Wait, why are you running? I'm scared. Natakot na. Natakot na yung aswang. Wait. Apa yun? Okay, guys. Let's go, guys. Yo.
Yung pinakamasarap mong muli. Hawak. Ano yun mo? Lampas na 100 ng suot mong, suot mong sinelas.
I don't know.
Nangailangan ng ano. Ano
Hindi ko
yun
alam.
lang? Lampas 100 na kaya? Oo, hindi. Hindi.
Alam ko na. Guys, may nagtatanong sa YouTube ko. Comment down below po kung ano po ang kung nakailan na po daw kayong
Oo nga. Ay, wala nang wali sa lupa.
take.
Tama.
Oh. Oh, you. Wait, how can I revive? No. Wait for me, guys.